Hey Snap fans, Jack Wallen here to help you get things done. Let's install a handy Gnome desktop extension that makes working with Snap packages even easier.
To install the Snap Manager extension, open Firefox and point it to the Snap Manager page on the Gnome extension site. You should see an on-off slider associated with the app. Click the on-off slider until it's in the on position and, when prompted, click Install. The installation should go off without a hitch. After the installation completes, you should find a new icon in your top bar system tray. Click that icon to reveal the Snap Manager menu. Let's say you want to check to see if there are any updates available for your installed snaps. Click the icon and then click List Available Snap Refresh. This will open your default terminal window and run the command snap refresh -- list. If there are any snaps to update, they will be listed. If there are no snap refreshes available, you can simply press any key to close the terminal. If you click Install Snap, a new terminal window will open requesting the name of the Snap package to install.
If you want to see more how-to videos, subscribe to our How to Make Tech Work YouTube channel. Also, check out TechRepublic for the latest news in tech.